Good evening, students. Welcome to Guru Tutorials YouTube channel. Yesterday's mind teaser question, that is question number 7. I have 3 daughters. Each one is having one brother. Then, how many children I have? This was the question yesterday I asked. In ಕನ್ನಡ ನನಗೆ 3 ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಹೋದರನನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ ಸಹೋದರನನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಟೋಟಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 4 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಒಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ 4 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌ? I have already 3 daughters, but each daughter is having one brother, means a one son can be a brother for all the 3 daughters. So that's why totally 3 plus 1, totally 4 children. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಗನೇ 3 ಜನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಸಹೋದರನಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ನನಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು? 4 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. The next one, question number 8, that is today's question. Here I wrote 3 boxes. It indicates 3 houses. And also I gave the numbers for houses. This is the house number 15, this is the house number 16, this is the house number 17. All are filled with gold. All are filled with gold. The thieves come, they theft in number 15, they theft completely in number 16, but they not go towards the house number 17. What is the reason? One more time. 3 houses are there in a block. All the 3 houses are filled with gold. I gave the house numbers as house number 15, house number 16, house number 17. The thieves theft the gold in house number 15 and house number 16, but they not go towards number 17, house number 17. What is the reason? I hope you understood the question. If you know the answer, please write the answer in comment box. Otherwise, in tomorrow's video, I will give you the answer. Thank you very much.